Nice. Look at that. Boiled egg using rice cooker. So today we are going to put our rice cooker into test. We are gonna make rice, white steamed rice, and on top of that we are also cooking hard-boiled eggs. So this comes with the rice cooker. You will get this when you buy this rice cooker. So you just put this right here. You have the, can you video, babe? That's the rice with the water already ready to cook. Now you put this on top of it. You put the egg, gently put this in the container right there, gently close, click. It didn't break, see? It has enough space for the egg, just so you know. Then you close, turn it on, white rice. So we're gonna see if it's gonna cook the egg in about 45 minutes. On top of that, the rice is cooking, so we'll be back. It's done, and let's see what happened. If the egg, ooh, the egg. We're gonna open the egg now to see if it's cooked. We're gonna show you the rice. Just need a little knife because this is so tight to see if the rice is done. Careful. Oh, it's hot. Careful, it's hot. And the rice is done as well. I'm gonna open the egg to see if it's completely boiled. See if the egg is done. Oh, perfecto. It is done. See how you can make steamed white rice and also cooking boiled eggs. So there's one. Let's do the other one. How quick is that? There is the boiled egg. Look how easy that is. We're gonna put it over. Here's our egg. And we're just gonna see if it's completely done. It's boiled. There. Yep. Hard-boiled egg. How about that, huh? Nice. So here's our boiled egg. I just season it with salt and garlic, salt and pepper, and some little bit of Italian seasoning. So you could cook steamed rice on top of that, the hard bowl of the egg. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. This is some tips and tricks from Dash of Spices. How to boiled egg on using rice cooker and while cooking white rice. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Ciao. Let's take a bite. I want this one. Nice. Look at that. Boiled egg using rice cooker. So good. Give it a thumbs up, guys. This is so good.